Okay, we're going to study rivers again, and I really want you guys to understand riverbanks and the cliff and terrace steps of a riverbank and how they are direct evidence of the past river height levels and flow levels. This is by the Columbia River splitting Oregon and Washington. These steps tell us exactly the width of the river and exactly the height. So they're great pieces of data for that, and they are very, very large and distinct. And that tells us of a large and distinct catastrophic flood, which is what all the scientists talk about when they talk about this area. And this, about the widest point of this river is about 2.4 miles wide. So then we see this all over the world. We can see these steps. And this is China. We see that flat terrace in the middle, and then the riverbanks around it, indicating a megascale river of what the Yellow River once was. Here's another location of incredibly flat terrain. This is the top of a terrace, indicating the bottom of a riverbed, which then indicates a megascale river that flowed over that area. And this feature can be found all over the world once you are able to identify it. But China is known for having one of the best river terraces, in my personal opinion. And a lot of steps give us a lot of data and a lot of insight onto the erosional history of these areas. And I think it's important to study these. And we're going to take a look at the topographical map, where you can see the terraces a little bit better. And you can see it's all over the place, and it's indicates quite the water level. This is another map that is also topographical, and this is farther to the north, and it shows some major ripple patterns. These ripples are up to 2 miles in wavelength. So you get 100-mile wide river valleys, and then you get, massive ripples in the middle of massive basins that are hundreds of miles wide. And then you get drumlin patterns as well. So you get the idea of sheet water flow. Okay, thank you guys.